just have no space.
Emergency. A quantum detonation has occurred in the Aurora's drive.
Fiber mesh.
The
Nice.
reactor will reach a super.
My box? My box is used for,
8, 7.
what's happening?
5, 4, 3, 2.
Guys, do you think there's any survivors in there? Do you think they're okay? do you think it's okay? Do you think it's fine?
Survivor, we see you.
No,
Man,
no.
I don't know how you held out down there.
Uh-oh.
We've broken atmosphere and we're descending towards the
Turn
landing
back! Turn back!
site. Is that a building down there? What do you mean you can't identify it?
Turn back, Sunbeam!
Back, man.
No, Sunbeam,
Positions,
no!
everyone. Touching down in 10, 9.
Oh, Sunbeam! Oh, Sunbeam! Oh no, Sunbeam!
It's coming from the building?
Oh!
Change course. Set thrusters to full.
Do you think they survived that? Do you think they're okay? Well, should I call the radio and ask for another ship to come pick me up?